Here's a quick guide on how to set up MetaTrader 4 or 5 alerts on your phone so you never miss an important trade. First, open MetaTrader on your mobile device and log into your trading account. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, look for the section labeled Chat and Messages. This is where your MetaQuotes ID is stored. This ID is very important because it's what allows MetaTrader to send push notifications directly to your phone. Go ahead and copy that ID carefully because we'll need it in the next step. Now, switch over to your PC and open the MetaTrader platform there. Once it's loaded, go to Tools and then click Options. Here, make sure you enable push notifications. This is essential for alerts to work properly. You may also see a couple of additional checkboxes. If available, make sure those are checked too. After that, paste the MetaQuotes ID you copied from your phone into the notification settings. Once it's in place, click the Test button to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test goes through, click OK to save your settings. And that's it! Now your MetaTrader is fully set up to send alerts to your phone, keeping you updated on all your trades in real time. This simple setup can save you a lot of time and help you make smarter trading decisions. Give this a try, and don't forget to share it with your friends.